Hey guys, Dustin, PPC Pros, doing this video about jet ski rentals and talking about Google Ads for jet ski rentals. So if you or somebody you love has a jet ski rental company, this video is for you. So I just want to share with you some performance for the last 30 days, this particular client. The names and campaign names and all that fun stuff should be blurred out. But just to give you an idea what's going on, it is right around May 8th, 2023. So we're just moving into the warm summer season or spring season. And we turn these campaigns on in March, sometime in March. And it's been slowly ramping up as people start coming to Florida. This particular client's in Florida. And so it gets busier and busier during summer for them. So if you take a look here, we've gotten so far a average about $20 cost per lead. Now lead or booking, could be either or. If you've seen any of my other videos, we don't just track one or the other, we track both leads and bookings. Because some people, especially if you're doing jet ski rentals, you know, there's a lot of phone calls. People are calling you up, they're not only booking online. Sometimes they're calling you just to come to your location if you have a location. Sometimes they're calling booking over the phone. Sometimes they're calling with questions and they show up later, whatever. So we want to track both online bookings through Fair Harbor. In this particular case, this client uses Fair Harbor, and also phone calls and chat bookings, or chat leads. So what we got here is about a $20 average cost per lead, which is pretty good. The conversion rate's just under 7%, which is also pretty darn good. And you can see just from the online bookings, this particular campaign is the national campaign, so targeting people all over the country looking to come to this destination. And we're getting about $3.67 back for every dollar spent. Again, this does not include the revenue from the phone calls, which is like, I think 70% of the volume that we get for leads. And then over here, we're getting about $1.37 back for every dollar spent. Again, does not include people who are picking up the phone and booking. And these are the locals. So these are people who are going to come in the same day, next day. Usually they're not booking ahead of time. They're like last minute type of people. You know what I'm talking about. So really simple example of a campaign that's doing really well. I mean, $20 for a call or booking is pretty darn good. You're not going to find that for most other marketing channels. I mean, maybe organic if you spend thousands and thousands of dollars to rank there. In our case, you spent $2,000. We've tracked at least 4,200 plus. You know, there's probably another 7, 8, 10 grand or whatever that we can't see as a result of that spend. So not bad. These guys are happy. They've been with us for multiple years now. And we've actually been with them since the very beginning. So it's been pretty cool to watch them kind of grow to this point. But Google Ads for jet ski rentals, guys, it's a no-brainer. You definitely want to do it. If you're already doing Google Ads, you're just not sure how well they're going, and you're like open for maybe us to do an account audit, we can do that. You know, that's if you're thinking about maybe getting it off your plate, not handling it yourself, or you're not really thrilled with the company that's doing it, or you just want a second opinion. Just let us know. Be happy to take a look at it and see how it stacks up. But yeah, another video on jet skis and Google Ads. Done a couple of these so far, but they always work. They're always winners. And thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.